La la la, la la la.
This is phase 2 of a journey to preserve our folklore. It began with a book where 30 spirits of Trinidad and Tobago were reborn. Now the pages open wide and the legends step into motion. Sit back, enjoy, and learn as the old stories live again.
When fever suit through village, children crying, fire burn low, old people say, Mama Maladi pass. She walks silent, pale cover she face, hand trailing cold in the air. Where she linger, skin breaking a rash, breath goes short, body weak and sudden. Some say she punished for greed and dirtiness. Some say she just carrying you wake up pestilence from a long time. But once she enter, only prayer, bush remedy and a clean heart could drive she out. So when sickness rise without cause, light incense, sweep yard, core God named strong. Mama Maladi do play. She remind we life is fragile and respect is medicine too.
The spirits never stop whispering. If you want to journey deeper into your folklore, reach out and connect with us. The story is waiting for you.
Can you hear them singing?